Morning, everybody. My name is Timothy Cox. This is my advanced interactive concept presentation number 7. So the name of our presentation this week is called Balloon Geometry. The description that we were given is, for today's experiment, you'll be designing and explaining all of the different electron domain geometries listed in table 9.2 using balloons. For each of these, please indicate the total number of electron domains, the type of molecule, the electron domain geometry, and number of lone pairs, and give an example of each. So with the instructions for this experiment, you will need balloons. I bought a party pack, so the balloons are all different colors. I tried to pair most of them with themselves, but the colors may look a little different. But I did pre-blow the balloons up, so I have a bunch of them that are just kind of tied together, and we'll put them together as we go. Yeah, so let's just jump into it. So for the first model, we're going to have 2 balloons. This is a linear geometry. You have 0 lone pairs in this. An example is CO2, and the bond angle is 180 degrees. So it's just a straight molecule, which is fine. And then we've got 3 here. They're not all the same size, but you get the idea. You've got this molecule is called trigonal planar. You have 0 to 1 lone pairs, and an example of this would be BF3, and your bond angles are 120 degrees between the 3 of these. So, and then for our fourth here, we're just gonna kind of tie 2 of these together, right? So you've got 4, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 on top. This is called tetrahedral, and you can have 0 to 2 lone pairs of electrons with this. A great example of this would be CH4, and the bond angles in between are 109.5 degrees. We'll just leave that one how it is. Now we're going to go on to 5 here, so let's see if we can get this to work in our favor. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get these balloons to do what you want, but so this is 5 electron domains, right? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 on the back. This is called trigonal bipyramidal. You can have anywhere from 0 to 3 lone pairs on this in these electron domain configurations. A good example of that would be PCl5, and you're going to have bond angles of 120 degrees between the 3 outer shells here, and then the 2 shells that are, on the top and the bottom will have 90-degree bond angles. And so the next that we're going to look at is the trigonal bipyramidal. Let me see if we can just get this thing together here. Like I said, I had a bunch of them that were just kind of tied together. So let's see if we can get the 6 to go here. Okay, so as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in view here, and then I used 2 separate color balloons so that we could tell 5 and 6 here. So you've got 6 electron domains. This is called an octahedral. You can have anywhere from 0 to 4 lone pairs. An example of this would be SF6, and each of these bond angles is going to be 90 degrees. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.